Repairing cars isn't the most challenging part of running a repair shop. It's managing the business. Every day, you face challenges in making sure you take care of your customers, manage the workflow, and keep your technicians doing what they do best, fixing cars. That's where we come in. We provide a comprehensive digital solution for your shop's needs. At ShopBoss, we make running your shop easier and more efficient. We make ordering parts smoother and faster. We make taking care of your customers look easy. Technicians have all the tools they need to get the job done. And you, the shop owner, have the information you need to make the decisions that will take your shop to the next level, from anywhere. With ShopBoss, you can be the boss, no matter where you are. We all have a choice. We can either be a boss or be the boss. Take control of your shop and be the boss with ShopBoss. Learn more at shopboss.net. Be the boss with ShopBoss.